Mama!
Oh,
Dahil nagday.
sige. Kasi
Happy
yan.
birthday to you.
Finally. Salamat, mamay. Salamat.
I love you.
Salamat. Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Salamat talaga. Salamat. Ito, may video na ako dumaan.
Thank you, thank you.
Salamat.
May ano ako.
O, picture mo na ako.
Oh, pinapataon ni Papa.
Ibabasahan pa ako. Happy 4th birthday, my love. Today we celebrate not just another year, but that's it. Incredible woman you are become. You are the heart of our home, the street and your challenge in the joy in my everyday. Thank you for love, your patience, and your endless support. I admire your beauty inside and out, and I'm grateful for every moment you share as you step in this new chapter. I hope it's bring you more happiness and peace and dreams. Quality you deserve. A love blessing the world can offer. I love you more than words can say. Happy birthday, my forever. I know I'm not a perfect husband to you, but what I can promise you is that I will love you and stay faithful to you for the rest of my life. Happy birthday, Agong. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you, Agong. Salamat, salamat. Promise. Thank you. Picture mo na ako.
Happy ka? Yes.
Ito ba ito niya? I-off mo na. Tapos kung ano ko itong ending pagbasa ko.